Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you step by step how to make a funny balloons parrot. I will post a list of necessary products in the description below this video. I inflate an 18-inch yellow balloon to its full size, then press it down several times to make it round and tie it into a knot. Now I'm inflating a green 12-inch balloon with 14 pumps. I press the tip of the balloon to the table. If necessary, I release some air, tie the balloon at the very end and make an apple twist. Now you need to tie both of these balloons tightly. I inflate a red balloon for modeling, size to 160 with 2.5 pumps. I make 2 pinch twists the size of 1 finger and a chain of 9 bubbles the size of 1 finger each. I fix this element between 2 balloons. Now you need to make 2 identical wings for the parrot. I pre-inflated 2 balloons for modeling green, size to 169, and red size 160. I didn't finish inflating each balloon by 5 fingers to the end. I make 3 pinch twists, then a 6-finger loop, a bubble, a 7-finger loop, a bubble, an 8-finger loop and 2 pinch twists. From a red balloon, I make one loop the size of 5 fingers, a bubble the size of 1 finger, a loop the size of 7 fingers, a bubble the size of 1 finger, and a loop the size of 9 fingers. Now I combine these two elements, and I get a parrot wing. Then they tie two wings together and fix them on the figure. How I made a parrot's beak, I want to show you with a transparent balloon for clarity. I'm pre-inflating a 12-inch balloon to eliminate marriage and stretch the balloon. Then I put a modeling balloon in it, size to 160. Then I inflate a 12-inch balloon, and then I inflate a modeling balloon with 4 pumps. I pull the ends of the modeling balloon and make two knots. After that, I put a 5-inch balloon inside a 12-inch balloon and inflate it with 2 pumps. I tie a 5-inch balloon and form a beak in the video. I showed it in great detail. From a balloon from modeling size to 160, I make 2 bubbles the size of 2 fingers and put it inside the figure beak. I glue the beak to the figure with double-sided adhesive tape. How to make a curly foot for a parrot. I will also show you using a transparent balloon for clarity. I'm pre-inflating a 12-inch balloon to eliminate marriage and stretch the balloon. Then I put a modeling balloon in it, size to 160. Then I inflate a 12-inch balloon, and then I inflate a modeling balloon with 4 pumps. I pull out both ends of the modeling balloon, make 2 knots and form a foot. Look, I showed it in great detail on the video. I glue the paws to the figure using double-sided adhesive tape. Now again, with the help of a transparent balloon, I will show you how to make curly feathers for a parrot. It's very simple here. I also pre-inflate a 12-inch balloon, put a modeling balloon inside and inflate it with 3 pumps. I tie both ends of the balloon for modeling, release the air, the loop is clamped, and a parrot feather is obtained. I made 3 feathers of different colors. The size of the inner loops is 2, 3, and 4 pumps. I glue the feathers to the head of the figure using double-sided tape. To make a tail, I inflated 3 balloons for modeling in different colors, size to 160. Please take a look at the video. I show you to what size I inflated each balloon. On a blue balloon, I made 3 tie pinch twists the size of 1 finger each and tied a loop. I tied the other 2 balloons to these 3 pinch twists. Please take a look. The middle of the balloons can be twisted to give the shape of a feather. I also glue the tail to the figure using double-sided adhesive tape. The eyes are stickers. I invite you to our online store. We have the largest selection of digital goods, the largest number of different eye stickers, and other elements for your creative ideas. I have posted all the information in the description below this video. Thank you for watching us.